Okay, we're on the next test here. Okay, and this is this I guess we'll make this part two. Created a Bible names and meanings app using the Andromo app builder, Andromo AI, excuse me, app builder. Okay, and show you what it looks like real quick. Okay, um, and actually, what I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make another uh, Bible names and meanings app using let's say Google AI Studio. Okay, but this how it looks. Okay, okay, there we go. Live preview. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Uh, and yeah, it's kind of lacking on this part. But you know, you had the AI read. I showed that in the last video. Then you had the AI coach, which you know I don't know if that makes sense. Not really a coach, but anyway, I showed the features in that last video. This will be part two. So guess what? What we're gonna do is um, let's let's see. Let's go to the app. Let's go to the prompt, and this is a simple prompt. So we're gonna copy this prompt, okay, and let's put it in Google AI Studio, okay. Got it ready and everything, okay. It's gonna be real simple, and let's build it, and let's see what we get with Google AI Studio, okay. Yeah, you can show me notifications, okay. All right, so we're gonna let this build, and let's see how it compares. I may do a test with Lovable too. Matter of fact, well, I'll wait. I'll wait on Lovable. Um, yeah, so let's let it go to work there. Um, and of course, this is brand new, so new that you don't have many apps built by the community yet. Okay, which is my observation. Let's see how we going here. Okay, still working. But yeah, let me go to let's see. I'm gonna go to the dashboard actually. Let's see. Discover. Let's try that. Yeah. So these are the apps created by the community. Let's put all. Well, let's go recent, I guess. But it's only about 14 apps up here. Okay. And I'm noticing my credits going down. That was at 800. But you know, we see what's going on. Uh, but yeah. So yeah, these are apps created by the community. Okay. And again, these are suggestions from the Discord page. Once you sign up, I guess you can get informations, maybe some tutorials. Okay, that means it's ready. Okay, oop, okay. That's what I like about that notification. So let me know it's ready. Okay, the app is now ready. Okay, um, okay, it's created. The app is now ready. I want to see it. I guess is this it? Okay, it looks different. Okay, designer previews. Skip. Okay, what am I missing? Okay, okay. Alrighty. I don't know what this is, but okay, preview again. Okay, there we go. Okay. Sacred names. Discover meaning, origins, and foundations. Okay. So this is, let's make this bigger, full screen. Okay. And you see us use the same prompt. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what that is. Okay. Okay. And keep in mind, none of these is what I actually had in mind, but Okay, let's go back. Okay. Now, how do I get off this page? Okay. Let's try back. Okay. Now that. This is okay. Now I want to get back to the original page. Okay. All right. How about refresh it? Okay. Reload it. Okay. Let's see. Esther. No. Moses. All right. Let's search Moses. Okay. And let's see what we got going here. Okay. Okay. Hide that. Okay. Let's refresh it again. Yeah, like I said, this is not what I really had in mind. Okay. Hebrew, Greek. All right. Sacred names. Okay, this is how this looks. What's this history tab? Okay. Yeah, I guess that's really all that it shows also. So the comparison between the two, really not that much difference. Um, let's see. Let's go back. Take a look at it. So looks like Andromo is kind of doing his job. Actually add a little bit more than the Google AI Studio version. So yeah. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah. So it gave me a little description. Let's just see. Real quick again. Let's go Moses. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that's the part that didn't do anything. But the AI part, it did. Let's see. I think it was the AI part. Who was Moses? Who was Moses? Okay. All right. This is going to give you a little description there. No, and no scriptures. But like I said, let's go with this one. Who was Moses? Let's see what happens. Okay. Divine insight. Okay. It gives a scripture and a little, yeah. That's about all we're going to get from that. So that's my experiment on that. Yeah, this comparison of the two. And like I said, that was just a general prompt, but that's just comparison with that as far as that. As far as the Bible names and meanings that. All right. So I'm going to do another video. It's going to be a little simpler. I'm going to follow the Discord advice and just do a simple app to warm it up. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video.